Eating. Such a simple act, yet one of the oldest rituals that defines what it means to be human. For thousands of years, we've gathered around fire, shared stories, cooked with our hands, and passed flavors across generations. But now, something fundamental is changing. Food is no longer born from the soil. It's being born from data. Farms are turning into labs, and recipes are becoming algorithms. Humanity is entering a new era, Food 3.0, where technology doesn't just change what we eat, it redefines the very idea of eating itself. In the kitchens of the future, chefs won't wear aprons. They'll write code. Artificial intelligence will know your body better than you do. It will track your mood, your sleep, your DNA, your stress levels, and craft the perfect meal for your biology. A personalized plate generated in real time, designed just for you. No more asking, "What should I eat today?" Your AI already knows. Today, this isn't science fiction anymore. Startups are already developing AI nutrition systems that read your genetic data and tell you exactly what your body needs. In the future, meals won't come from menus, they'll come from you. Every dish will be a biological fingerprint, a personalized code for nourishment. But AI won't just decide what we eat. It will transform how food is made. Lab-grown meat, produced from animal cells without harming a single creature, is already on the market. Scientists can now grow real beef, chicken, or fish entirely inside a lab, identical in texture and flavor, but without the cruelty, the land use, or the carbon footprint. A steak that never saw a farm, a burger that didn't require a single drop of blood. This could be the most ethical and sustainable revolution in food history, because for the first time, we can separate meat from animal and feed billions without destroying the planet. And then comes the rise of 3D printed food. Printers that layer ingredients like flour, oil, protein, and vitamins into edible creations. NASA has already experimented with printing pizza for astronauts in space. Imagine a future where restaurants disappear, replaced by food stations that print personalized meals in minutes. You wake up, your health sensors send data to your kitchen, and your printer instantly prepares what your body needs. Cooking might become a nostalgic hobby, a lost art, something people do for fun, not survival. The stove becomes obsolete, and the algorithm becomes the new chef. Yet, the most mind-bending revolution isn't physical, it's virtual. Scientists are developing neural taste interfaces, devices that stimulate your brain's taste centers to create the illusion of flavor. You could experience the taste of a hamburger without eating a single bite. 0 calories, infinite possibilities. In the Metaverse, digital restaurants are already being designed. You sit with friends from across the world, and together you share a meal that exists only in code, but your brain believes it's real. Taste, smell, and texture all simulated. It sounds surreal, but the human brain doesn't need reality, only the right signals. In Food 3.0, eating becomes an experience of the mind, not the mouth. But with every innovation comes a question. What do we lose when food is no longer natural? If meals come from labs and sensations come from software, where does our connection to nature go? For centuries, food has been more than fuel. It's been a reason to gather, to share, to remember. If eating becomes a solitary act managed by algorithms, what happens to our sense of community? What happens to tradition, culture, and memory? The smell of bread from the oven, the taste of tomatoes from a garden, could those things become extinct? Perhaps natural will one day mean obsolete. Food may become less about the earth and more about the equation. And yet, Food 3.0 also represents hope. Our world is changing fast. Climate stress, water scarcity, population growth. By 2050, there could be nearly 10 billion people on Earth, and traditional agriculture simply won't be enough. Lab-grown proteins, AI-optimized nutrition, and data-driven farming might be the only way to sustain us. We're building a new food system, one not rooted in soil, but in science. Food that's smart, efficient, and personalized. A meal not grown, but programmed. Still, one final question remains. When flavor, texture, and even hunger itself become digital, will we still be human? Will eating still mean something? Maybe in the kitchens of the tomorrow, it's not food that's being cooked, but emotions. Maybe at the table of the future, it's not humans who decide what to eat, but the algorithms that define who we are. Food 3.0 could end hunger, save the planet, and transform life as we know it. But it could also change our relationship with one of the most human acts of all, sharing a meal. The future of eating isn't just about what's on the plate. It's about what it means to be alive in a world where even flavor can be coded.